Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we will unboxing a new Casio watch with a yellow dial model MTP-B145D-9AVEF. Let's get started. This Casio model is a remarkable timepiece that seamlessly blends style and functionality. This analog watch from Casio's Metal Fashion series not only exudes a sophisticated aesthetic but also boasts impressive features that cater to both fashion enthusiasts and practical users alike. Crafted with precision, the watch features a durable stainless steel band that ensures longevity and comfort on the wrist. The yellow color on the dial a touch of elegance, making it a versatile accessory suitable for various occasions, from casual outings to formal events. One of the standout features of this model is its reliable timekeeping mechanism. The watch is equipped with Casio's quartz movement, ensuring accurate and precise timekeeping. This makes it a reliable companion for those who value punctuality and dependability in their timepiece. The MTP-B145D also incorporates practical functions such as date display, allowing users to stay organized and up to date. The clear and easy-to-read dial ensures that checking the time is a quick and efficient task. Water resistance is another noteworthy attribute, adding an extra layer of durability to the watch. While not suitable for deep-sea diving, it can withstand splashes and rain, providing peace of mind for everyday wear. In conclusion, the Casio MTP-B145D is a stylish and reliable timepiece that seamlessly integrates fashion and functionality. Its classic design, accurate timekeeping, and practical features make it a versatile accessory for individuals who appreciate both aesthetics and performance in their wristwear. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or someone looking for a dependable and stylish timepiece, the MTP-B145D is undoubtedly a noteworthy choice. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.